Nikhil Naz joins me for this big tribute to Rahul Dravid. Nikhil was, of course, a man on the ground covering the World Cup across the United States and the Caribbean for us. Nikhil, what does this reported gesture by Rahul say about the man? What does it say about Rahul Dravid?
Well, what does this say about the man? First things first, Shiv, it tells you that he's anything but the Indira Nagar ka gunda that we got used to in that television commercial. He's always been a nice guy since his playing days. I've been lucky enough to cover him when he was a player of the Indian team, when he became the captain of the Indian team, when he became the coach of the under-19 team, and then when he became the coach of the Indian national team. First thing that really comes to your mind is that this is not surprising. This is what you had expected of a Rahul Dravid. It takes me back to when he was the under-19 coach, and at that time also the Indian team had won the under-19 World Cup. On that occasion too, he had refused that extra money. What he had said, that give me as much as you are paying the rest of the support cast, the rest of the support staff. And that's exactly what he said now. So there is a precedent there. You knew that this was coming when it comes to Rahul Dravid. Other than that, just take this World Cup, for example. You know, what does Rahul Dravid stand for was made very evident when giving an interview to the broadcaster. He spoke about that Do It for Dravid campaign. It was a well-meaning social media campaign that was organically started by a lot of fans on social media, later picked up by the broadcaster too. When asked about that, should India, you know, go one step further, win the World Cup for Rahul Dravid, a man who's given it his all in international cricket but does not have that World Cup trophy. On that occasion, he goes on to say that, no, I do not believe in this. This is against my values. This is against the person that I am. That gave us an insight into who Rahul Dravid is. He quoted an example of a mountaineer saying that when asked, why do you want to climb Mount Everest? The mountaineer said, I don't want to do it for anyone. I want to do it because it's there. So he went on to say that I want the Indian team to win the World Cup because there is a World Cup. I don't want them to do it for me. Forever the man who would like to stay behind the scenes. And you know, his nature, his values came across in his playing career. Two rare incidents that really come to my mind, Shiv, when I look back at his career. One, he decided to be the wicketkeeper for the team so as to ensure that there are enough batters. He sacrificed that. Remember, the knives were out if he was not to perform as a wicketkeeper. He was never a natural wicketkeeper, but for the cause of the team, he decided to be the wicketkeeper. That would have taken a toll on his batting because remember, being the mainstay of Indian batting, he had to bat for long periods, and then to keep wickets and yet bat for long periods, it would have taken a toll on him. But despite the fact that his run-making ability would have been compromised a bit, he said, nothing doing, I'll put my hand up and I will become the wicket-keeper for the team. So that's one of the incidents that really comes to your mind, talks to you about his selfless nature, and I think that is what he stood by. That is what Rahul Dravid was in international cricket. Even the captaincy, when the entire debate happened for the captaincy between Greg Chappell, Sourav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid was asked to take the reins of the Indian team in a very difficult situation. And he said, fine, I will do it. I'll do that for the Indian team. So he's done that on multiple occasions. You know, batting, he was always a middle order batter. On occasions, you wanted him to open the innings, completely a different skill set. He said, no problem. If the team needs me, I'll do that. So quite often I've had these conversations. I've interviewed him on occasions, and always whenever I've harped on the records that, you know, he's the third highest run getter for India, second at one point, he has so many centuries, he always says, don't make a big deal of it. I was just a cricketer, that was my job, and I just went and did my job, and you know, you don't have to glorify that. So that's the man that Rahul Dravid is. He's always stood by these values, and that is why it doesn't surprise me that he's refused that extra sum of money compared to the rest of the support staff.
Another legend, Sunil Gavaskar, Nikhil, has actually called for a Bharat Ratna for Rahul Dravid. What do you think? You think Rahul Dravid should get a Bharat Ratna?
That's a real tough question, Shiv. Should he be given the Bharat Ratna or not? I know, our cricket analyst in Sunil Gavaskar has written a column saying that he is truly a Bharat Ratna. In my mind, he's definitely a Bharat Ratna, but should he be given the highest honor? The jury is still out on the fact, Shiv, that should sports person be even considered for Bharat Ratna. I know there was a big controversy when Sachin Tendulkar was given the award, but if you are convinced that yes, sports people should also be given a Bharat Ratna, then why not? You should look at someone who is the 7th highest run getter in the history of cricket, who is the 3rd highest run getter when it comes to Indian batters. So in terms of achievement, I think there's no dearth of that. But before you give a Bharat Ratna to Rahul Dravid, and if you're going to look at sports people, I'm going to throw in a name I think who needs to be considered before that, and that is going to be that of Major Dhyan Chand, someone that, you know, many consider is the father of Indian hockey, and he's that other sports person that you need to consider if you have decided to give another Bharat Ratna to a sports person. But if you were to ask this question to Rahul Dravid, I'll just hazard a guess, and I'm sure, knowing the personality that he is, he'd say definitely not. In fact, he'd name
100%.
5,
He would
6,
turn
or
it
even
down.
10 more people more deserving than him. Deserving than him. You and I may not agree, but, you know, knowing Rahul Dravid, that's exactly what his answer